How to fix the issue of the battery being unable to be removed from the Aipas M1 PRO M2 Pro. Disconnect the vehicle's power supply, then place it upside down. Take care to protect the display and brakes from damage. Remove the 3 hex screws that secure the battery to the down tube, then separate and remove the battery. Remove the 4 hex screws that secure the battery lock to the battery cover plate. Then, remove the single cross screw in the center that secures the battery cover plate. Followed by the 2 cross screws at the bottom of the battery cover plate. Take out the battery cover plate. Use a file to smooth down the 2 black plastic locking tabs that secure the battery cover plate to the battery. After smoothing is complete, reinstall the battery cover plate onto the bicycle down tube. First, install the 4 hex screws to secure the battery lock and the battery cover plate, preventing the cover plate from shaking. Next, install the single center cross screw to secure the battery cover plate. Turn the battery lock button to test if it can spring back normally. If it functions correctly, reinstall the 2 cross screws at the bottom of the battery cover plate. Finally, install the 3 hex screws for the battery base and insert the battery into the battery socket. Turn the battery lock key to test if the battery can be removed normally. It should now come out without issue.